Hello again. In my last video about this sharp receiver, I had a issue straight after the video. So I had it switched on and for about 5 minutes it seemed to work fine, and then there was a cracking sound and some smoke came out here out of the headphone socket. So I quickly isolated it from the mains power and took the cover off and had a look, and it had an issue where a RIFA capacitor decided to pop. So this has been stored up in the loft, and I've actually got some other equipment up in the loft which I think I'm not going to power on until I make changes to it, and that equipment is a couple of Video 2000 machines, so I don't think I want to be trying to turn those on. Actually, thinking about it, I've also got a reel-to-reel as well up there, so I need to be a bit more careful, I think, when I switch things on. But in any case, this is what I'm going to have a go at removing now. I'm going to turn this over and hopefully I can just get to the PCB from the bottom, because there's a removable sort of metal cover essentially. So let's have a look at that now. This is the cover, and I'm going to try to take these screws out. There's a warning here about it saying that another screw is fitted, so it looks like I have to maybe remove it from there. Remove the inside screw only, it says, but not this screw. Okay, interesting. So yeah, I'll give that a go now, and hopefully I can show you the part once I've desoldered it from the PCB. So it talks about removing a screw inside the actual unit, and I think it's this one here. So it looks like I need to turn this so I have access. So this is the tuning dial for the radio part. Aha, that looks good. So I'll get a screwdriver in here. I'll take this screw off, and hopefully I can ease the board off, well, the plate off anyway. So remove the screws. It's just a case of sliding this cover out. You leave the stops here for it to sit on, so they're just screwed in, they don't go anywhere else into the board or the unit. And this is the underside, so you can see some tracks here, and you can also see the components are actually labelled the same as on the other side. So this was a C601, so this is what I need to desolder now, and then once I've done that I shall be able to pop it out, have a proper look at it. I've taken a picture already, and I'm hoping I can see some more detail, and then I can be 100% sure when I go looking for a replacement part. But I did sign on to a forum, I believe it was the Audio Karma forum, and someone suggested that I should be able to remove this and still power this unit on, and I may hear a hum, but the use of this could possibly be just to reduce hum, you know, across the AC supply. So I need to give that a go as well. So I think I'm gonna inspect this board as well. This looks a bit iffy here. I need to get a light on just to have a proper look, and possibly down there as well. But this will be lead solder, so yeah, I'll give that a go now. So we can see there's two boards here quite clearly, and I'm going to desolder this now. Now this is the component I've just taken off, and the back doesn't look too bad. You do need to use a magnifying glass or something to have a decent look. So I can't really see too much on the back there. Let's turn this over and see. That's pretty stinky still. You can see it's just blown its top off. So what I can see is PME 271M547. Is that a C16 on the side? And it says 40 085 50, is it 6? Possibly, or 58. So that's yeah, that is the component to be replaced. So if anyone has any ideas on what I can replace it with, then that'd be great. I'm just going to put a few screws back into the cover, and I will just give this a quick turn on and see if it lights up or does anything. Having both of the covers off, so the top and the bottom cover, it's been quite useful because I did find some plastic. I wondered where it came from, and it's actually from this holding bracket here, and this is for the radio part, and I'm just going to put a dab of super glue on there, and hopefully it'll stay in place. So that's going to be the first thing I do just before I attempt to power on. Okay, I've already turned these on. And it is tuning. So I'm just going to put it onto phono and tape. There's not any discernible difference from what I can tell. There's no loud hum, and I might have been expecting to hear something like that if this was acting as some kind of filter on the mains power supply. So yeah, if you'd like to add some comments about this to this video, and whether or not it actually does need changing. I'm turning this right up now, and from what I can hear, there doesn't seem to be any discernible difference. But thank you for watching this video, and I will let you know my findings, and hopefully someone can make a suggestion about what to put in there in its place. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll do another video again for you soon. Thank you. Bye for now.